We have a very special unboxing. I got a very special delivery from my bestie Janine from JJ's Pink Secrets. Janine is my best friend and we're always sending packages to each other. So she sent me a summer package and I just want to start off by saying thank you so much, bestie. You are such a true friend and I'm just so lucky, so blessed to have such an incredible friend like you. And of course, I could not wait. So I did open a few things. I only picked out a few items from the top because I couldn't wait. So let me show you very quickly the inside of the box. It is packed to the top. She literally spoils me so much. I can't wait to see all the cute goodies she sent me. So I'm gonna start off first with this first item right here. It is a lipstick holder with a mirror and a little charm. So it is like a keychain and it's so beautiful. It's so girly. I've never seen something like this and my lipstick is going to look so cute in here. So it's like a little pouch and you put your lipstick inside. My bestie always finds the cutest things. She is like the queen of finding the cutest things. Next up, I have this here from Bath and Body Works. And it is a car fragrance vent visor clip. And it's beautiful. And it comes with 2 scents in here. This is adorable. Wow, this is so pretty. It is so girly. It's going to look so cute in my car. Wait, is this a locket? It is. Look at this. That's gonna look so cute in my car. And she also sent these 2 here. These are 2 of the most popular fragrances from Bath and Body Works. The Strawberry Pound Cake, which is one of my favorite ones, and Champagne Toast. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. There's another item in here also from Bath and Body Works. Oh, this is gorgeous. This must be a new product because I'm not seeing this one yet. It is the Bath and Body Works Champagne Toast Antibacterial Hand Spray. This is so exciting. Oh, this is adorable. This is so beautiful. Love it. Okay, we're gonna spray some of this on. This is my favorite scent. Oh, it smells so good. And I love the keychain that it comes with it. It's so cute, so girly. She sent me my favorite popcorn and she attached this adorable keychain. This one is from the Legally Blonde movie. In the back, it says confidence is my favorite accessory. Oh my gosh, this is so thoughtful, bestie, because it's the keychain to the movie and she attached a bag of popcorn in sweet and salty kettle corn and she even put a little bow on the top. I'm gonna have to watch the movie again and eat my popcorn while I watch it. This is so cute. There's also a box that has 2 lip balms and this is the Devil Wears Prada. It is 2 lip balms and one of them has a little charm. So let me open it up to show you. I'm obsessed with these like new glosses that you can just add them to your keys. So you always have a lip gloss with you on the go. They're so pretty. It has a little high heel. And it has this little charm from The Devil Wears Prada. Oh my gosh, you guys need to watch this movie, the new one that came out. It is so nice. She also sent me a face mask. This one is the Biodance face mask. It says Biocollagen Real Deep Mask. Hydrating, pore perfecting, and firming. I love face masks. That's something I am obsessed with. And my bestie and I have very similar skin textures. So I'm sure I'm going to love this. I can't wait to try this out and make my skin feel very, very hydrated because it is very dry right now. But I am very excited. She did tell me that this is one of her favorite brands. And I fully trust her in that because every time she tells me she loves something or recommends something, I try it and I end up loving it. So I'm sure I'm going to love this face mask. Thank you so much, bestie. She also sent me a surprise keychain. It's a blind box keychain, and you can get up to 5 different styles. And I got cinnamon roll. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. It even has a pink little pom-pom with a pearl. Look at cinnamon roll just swimming in here. There's also this here. It looks like a notebook. Isn't it so cute? It's the pink ruby strawberry scented car fragrance. Also from the Legally Blonde movie. Cute as a button, portable, and kissed with Elle's signature scent. It's shaped like a heart. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It smells like candy. This smells so, so good. It almost smells like cotton candy and marshmallows and berries. Oh my god, this is going to make my car smell incredibly good. Can't wait to add these cute things to my vehicle. There's also 2 beautiful lashes. One is from the Cream Shop. The other one is Ioni. It's a 3D mink lashes. Wow, these look really pretty. And there's even a little bow on the top that she added. There's a Charlotte Tilbury thing in here. Wow, this is a new one. Okay, it's the Pillow Talk Lip Luster Gloss Lip Lacquer. And this one is in the shade Pillow Talk. I love Charlotte Tilbury. Me and her are such huge fans of Charlotte Tilbury. And I've never seen this one before. It must be a new product. It is beautiful. What a gorgeous packaging. It's the most perfect nude pink. I can't wait to do a makeup tutorial using this. This is such a beautiful shade. I'm obsessed. There's a YSL. Oh my gosh, she sent me something from YSL. And check out the packaging. It's so pretty. She put a little bow in there. This is a plumping lip oil gloss, and it's in the shade Lucky Moonstone. I don't have any YSL glosses, so this is my very first one. Oh my gosh, the color is perfection. Wow, and it smells really good. It smells like candy. Also, this hair product, she did tell me about this, and she was so excited to send this out to me so that I can try it out. This is her favorite hair product, and her and I both have very similar hair types, so I'm sure I'm going to absolutely love this product. It is from Pureology. It says 21 essential benefits. It's a leave-in spray for color-treated hair, and my ends of my hair are so dry brittle right now. I always love trying products, especially for my hair, so thank you so much, bestie. I can't wait to try this and put it in my hair. Ooh, these are so cute. They are moisturizing hand sanitizers. She sent me 2 of them, and look how sparkly they are. They are berries and cream. We have to try these out. They smell really good. They definitely smell like berries and cream. Wow, this smells so good. I'm obsessed. I'm going to put one in my purse and keep one in my room. Okay, the next thing in here. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, these are adorable. There's 2 lace bows, and they're light pink. This next item I did open, and I am obsessed with it. I literally want to wear it like as soon as I can. This is one of my childhood favorite characters. If you're around my age, even younger, this is such a popular, iconic character that will always be popular. It is the Monchi-Chi, and look how adorable this shirt is, and it's pink. Bestie, this is the cutest shirt I've ever had. I love it. It brings me back so many childhood memories of the Monchi-Chi. I'm obsessed. We're down to the last item, and it's inside this beautiful bag. It's all pink, and it has my name on it. She is so thoughtful. She literally spent the time to add my name to it, which is so sweet. And inside, there is a gorgeous top. It is so pretty, so soft. It is gorgeous. You can always pair up white with so many different outfits. Whenever I'm not wearing pink, I'm wearing white. So these were all the gorgeous goodies that my bestie sent me. Keep on watching because I will continue filming tomorrow morning because I want to try these goodies. If I get it wrong,
she's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my
So this was a finished look using all the products that I got from my bestie. I thought I would do a quick makeup tutorial since I am heading out to get my nails done. I need my nails done ASAP, but I thought I would try them out and that way you can see what they look like. I am in love with everything she sent me and I'm obsessed with this lip gloss from Charlotte Tilbury. It is beautiful. Also, in case you noticed, I do have a new beautiful mug. This one just launched as of yesterday and I ran into Starbucks right in the morning. I always get my coffee, but I saw that these had launched and I was able to get two. So this is why I featured it today. I am so in love with it. It is like the cutest mug ever. I think it's more prettier than the first original one that launched. I think it had like a green hat. This one here is for us pink girlies. I'm so glad Starbucks came out with one like this one. And when I went in the store, they only had two left. And guess what? I got another one so that I can send it to my bestie in her summer box. So I was able to get two. I'm so excited. It is so pretty. So I am gonna head out now that I have my makeup, my hair, my outfit, and this beautiful top that my bestie got me.
Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. She's unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get